He's yours.
Yeah, can we go with it?
Yeah, he's yours.
All right, picture this. You walk into your living room expecting just another boring Tuesday, and bam, there's a tiny furball staring at you like, "Hey human, I'm your new boss." Get ready to squeal, cry, and probably embarrass yourself, because today we're unwrapping the purest chaos, a puppy surprise. He has such a small, sincere, and sweet heart.
What we named her?
What's your name? I forgot.
Abby.
I'm gonna go and tell Grandpa.
It's just something small. No, it's just something small. It has skiers on it. Yes.
Sweater. What do you think?
Merry Christmas.
Is this our dog?
Yeah.
We have a dog?
We have a dog.
No, we do not.
Is this our dog? He's so cute.
This is our puppy. This is our dog. You got us a dog.
It's a boy.
Look at his sweater.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sissy. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, that bow matches her dress perfectly.
Oh my God, are you mine?
That's the thing. Yeah, no clue.
Huh?
When all you've ever wished for is a puppy of your own.
Huh? Are you fucking serious right now? Oh my god! Hi! Hi, buddy.
Dropping the drink just to grab the puppy. So adorable.
This ain't mine, right? Hi, buddy.
The priceless reaction of a puppy and the happy tears of its new owner.
Oh, no way.
We got you one, Scott. There he is. It's a big boy.
Dogs can heal the human soul.
Sir.
Yeah.
When you surprise your parents with a puppy for Christmas. The joy of 3 kids receiving a surprise gift.
Huh?
The sweetest surprise.
What's that?
A puppy.
Puppy.
Yeah.
Boys don't cry, but real men do.
We worked on this for a couple of weeks.
Yeah, can we keep that?
Yeah, he's yours. He's yours.
Yeah, can we go with it?
Yeah, he's yours.
The way she holds him like a real baby is just adorable. Her reaction shows just how happy she is to have a Pomeranian. Oh, what a beautiful moment. The puppy's like, "Wit in my house?" Even though he's the new one here. That dog is going to be so loved, such a sweet gift.
I'm crying. What is that?
That's the stat.
Oh my god, so cute!
Let me see.
Just a little walking potato.
Hello, baby.
Cookie, what the What are you thinking?
Open?
Merry Christmas.
That puppy just hit the jackpot.
It's Oakley.
We thought Chelsea and Oakley.
Hi! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, when he popped his little head up.
Merry Christmas!
No freaking way. No. What?
His reaction is priceless.
Yeah, I love him. He's so cute, babe.
What are we gonna name
I have no idea. We gotta sit down and think about it.
him? Oh, he's so cute! What is it?
This is your new puppy.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. You've always wanted it.
Wait, where did you get that from? Wait, your jacket?
She's surprised with a puppy.
You're lying!
You like him?
Where's he from?
Yeah. We got him off the black market.
Nothing is more beautiful than raw, pure emotions.
What are we gonna name it? Alex gets to decide.
Maverick. Are you surprised?
So cute!
For me? You got me a dog? You serious? Hi!
The child within him comes out when he speaks.
Apollo! Hi, Apollo! Hi! What kind of dog is this?
He's a mini Sharpei.
Look at here.
Is this a dream? Ha ha ha, that's amazing.
A puppy?
Emma_Stressman.
Oh, look at him. You left him in the car here? No, what's his name?
Look at the tag.
3, 2, 1.
They'll remember this Christmas gift forever.
Oh, look at that boy.
I love his gentleness.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go.
Say hello to him.
Hi.
Say hi, Bailey.
Effie, coming to see you.
Stop it, Mom. You look so young and beautiful. Endless love is the most sincere thank you for the love you've given.
He's a little girl.
He's so gentle with her.
Oh my goodness gracious, look at you.
The best part is the puppy like, oh my gosh, who's this? They both instantly fell in love with each other. Please pick her up. She just wants to be held. Why am I tearing up? This is just too cute.
What the actual fuck? What is this?
Is this your new little puppy?
No.
It is.
Are you serious?
It is.
Oh my god.
She's so sweet.
Oh my god.
She's gonna be a little bit scared at first.
Love at first sight.
Oh my goodness. Where? How? When? Talk to me.
The best surprise of the year.
Didn't expect that, did you?
Oh, we got a Frankie. Hello.
Oh my god.
Hello.
The way he looked at the puppy when he picked him up and said hello.
You got a cat in the back. Hello. Oh my god.
Who is this?
Well, I wanted the puppy.
She's awesome.
Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. That's our dog. That's Rocky.
You could say they love him. So heartwarming, right? We hope these moments touched your soul. Please share your stories in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more touching videos. Thank you and see ya.